Hi guys, and welcome back to Hungry Forever Bangalore. I'm Christina, and today we are at a super amazing space in Indranagar called Puma Shuffle. The coolest thing about this place is that it completely transforms on Friday and Saturday into a super hip underground kind of vibe. On the other 5 days of the week, you may know it as Watson's. It's got some super great interiors as well as some super exciting food and drinks that we can't wait to try. So let's go ahead and show you what this place is all about.
Hi, my name is Ashley. I'm the corporate executive chef of Shilton Hospitality. We run Puma Shuffle as well as Watson's. And well, the food at Puma Shuffle is very different from what we do at Watson's. We've gone very much fusion. We've brought in a lot of Middle Eastern familiarity and taste from there, and also played around with a lot of exotic vegetables. We also have a lovely concept in our main course where we do meal bowls, which is a combination of both rice as well as a gravy. And we have this available in chicken, beef, and vegetables as well. The Puma Shuffle menu is really fun. It's different, and you guys should come and definitely try it out.
So we just had an absolutely amazing afternoon at Puma Shuffle. One of the things we loved about the place is that the food matched the vibe, which is super fun and eclectic and playful and has a super amazing underground vibe. We also really enjoyed the ice cola cocktail, which reminds you of your childhood days, but also it's alcoholic. We really enjoyed the crispy lotus stem as well as the honey glazed tofu and all the delicious bacon nibbles. You have to try them. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube as well as follow us on social media. And don't forget, stay hungry.